how to boost your Discord stream volume. So if you want to make your Discord stream volume louder, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Discord. You can go with your browser or you can also go with the application. So search for Discord, go with discord.com. Make sure that you've logged into your account, or you can also go with the application. And once you're on your application, you need to just go with any server that you're comfortable with. And from your server, you need to go and join a voice channel. So here you will have voice channels. Tap on the voice channel and then go with join now, which is on the bottom. After that, you just need to simply go with share screen. You will have share screen option. You need to go and share your screen. After sharing your screen on your voice channel, what you can do is you need to just go with your settings. So go with the user settings. Under your user settings, you can go with voice and video and then increase your output volume. Here you will have your output volume, your soundboard volume. You just need to simply go and increase it. So this is how you can increase your stream volume. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.